So this is your introduction to the B.Tech program in machine learning and artificial intelligence. These days we are hearing a lot about artificial intelligence. Though machine learning is not frequently used, it's the predecessor of artificial intelligence. What exactly is artificial intelligence? The moment you say the term artificial intelligence, what comes to mind is a robot which is moving around and doing things which would be rather difficult for human beings. Like, for example, serving patients in quarantine in a COVID-19 ward. This would be really hazardous and risky for a human being to do. So here, of course, you can use an artificial intelligence, no doubt. But then let us not imagine artificial intelligence as something which is human in form, which is like a robot. Today, AI is used in a host of fields and areas. For example, voice recognition is one of the key areas where artificial intelligence is involved. I'd like to cater to your curiosity. Right now there is a huge debate going on about the involvement of a lady in a scam which involves the illegal transportation of gold from the Middle East to India. Now, if there is a telephonic conversation between this particular lady and an official in UAE consulate, and if you want to prove that the voice belongs to the lady herself, you can use AI. Similarly, in an airport where thousands of people pass by, if you want to identify whether a particular criminal has crossed the barriers, you can use face recognition artificial intelligence, of course. These are all traditional, conventional uses of artificial intelligence. When it comes to the modern context, every sphere of life is being encroached by artificial intelligence. For example, in new generation cars, luxury cars, the engine is entirely controlled by artificial intelligence. Based on the terrain, based on the environmental conditions, it will reset the engine features and factors, making the car more comfortable in all terrains, in all environmental conditions. Even a chair can be an artificial intelligence. In fact, in many of the cars, the chairs are now controlled by artificial intelligence. For example, if a particular passenger is more comfortable in a particular position, the moment he or she enters a car, the seat is automatically readjusted to her preferred gradient and position. So AI is going to encompass every field of our life and activity. And having seen this, the Christ Knowledge City has introduced a B.Tech program in machine learning and artificial intelligence with the concurrence of All India Council of Technical Education and affiliation with Kerala Technological University. And this program, I'm sure, would create engineers of the future who are so much required in the industry. And by the time the first batch completes the program, that is 4 years from now, the demand for specialists in AI would be immense. It would practically infiltrate every sphere of human activity, and the requirement would be so huge. And having seen this in advance, the Christ Knowledge City, a central Kerala engineering campus, which is now co-ed. It was a women's college till recently. Now it's a co-education campus, and it has introduced AI and machine learning, B.Tech. Let me reassure you that this is probably the B.Tech of the future, and the opportunities could be immense. So let's not choose something conventional and land up in what is called as, there is a famous management guru called C.K. Prahlad. He says, you should not be playing in the red ocean. Red ocean means where everyone is present. Red ocean is a clutter. A lot of institutions offering the same course. And what is the result? The institutions kill each other. They grab students from each other and they destroy each other, making the ocean red or red ocean. So when you are in the blue ocean, there are hardly any competition. So this institute has actually entered the blue ocean with a program in machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the prospects are immense and huge for the students. I would like to make use of this opportunity to invite all of you for a series of webinars which will make crystal clear what exactly is artificial intelligence, what is the future of artificial intelligence, and what are your prospects when you enter this stream of technology. Thank you very much.